I bet you've been seeing these AI fruit 3D object videos. They're insanely satisfying and highly addictive. While watching, did you wonder how to make them? It's the texture detail that makes these clips pop on social media. Today, I'm showing you how to replicate that hyper-realistic look. With just one prompt, you can create your own AI fruit 3D object videos. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the video. Once you've launched the software, go to AI Video, Text to Video. You'll see the available AI models and their versions. I'll select the newest Minimax H3. Next, you need to get a prompt. I've prepared a ready-to-use prompt template for you. Just click the prompt link in the description below. All you need to do is swap out the fruit and the object. Let's try an example, turning a lemon into a house. Then grab the prompt and paste it into Edimakor. Set your desired resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. Edimakor's text-to-video engine will turn your vision into reality. This workflow allows you to create virtually any AI 3D fruit object transformation videos you want. Step 3. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to share it on social media. During Edimakor's Back to School campaign, simply add Edimakor Back to School to your post to claim 60 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.